foundation of love and care, and they taught us how to love without conditions. Okay, my next question is, what is your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue color signifies calmness, stability, and peace of mind. My next question is, what is the capital of Manipur? Your answers are... to play the saxophone.
What's happening now is new. But when I say emerging technologies, these are things which will be applicable and which will be important for you after you complete your IIT. Alright, after you complete your engineering, what is going to happen?